Hey everyone, if you want to add subtitles to your videos quickly without typing everything manually, Kapwing AI subtitles can save you a lot of time. In this video, I'll show you how to use Kapwing AI subtitles from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the Kapwing website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, create a new project or open an existing video that needs subtitles. Next, upload your video if it isn't already in the editor. Wait for the upload to finish completely before moving to the next step. Now look for the Subtitles or AI Subtitles option in the editor. Click on it to access Kapwing's automatic captioning tools. Select the language spoken in your video and choose the option to generate subtitles automatically. Kapwing's AI will analyze the audio and create captions based on the spoken words. For the best results, use clear audio recordings, review every subtitle carefully, and keep captions short enough for viewers to read comfortably. And that's how to use Kapwing AI subtitles in 2026. It's a fast and effective way to make your videos more accessible, professional, and engaging for your audience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.